Go.
Today on Make, Shape, Create.
We're going to take these supplies
To make this snow globe with no kit. Hey guys, I'm Cory.
I'm Jess.
Make, Shape, Create. We are making a snow globe and we are going to do it without a kit. You can go to the craft store, you can go to the dollar store, you can go lots of places and get a kit, but we wanted to figure out how to do it without one. So, to do that, we have this base that, I don't remember what this was to.
I don't remember.
I think it was, I don't know, it was to something, but I already sanded it because I'm sure you guys didn't want to watch me sand. We have a fish bowl you can get we got from pet store, some pine cones, and some little figurines that we got from the dollar store. So, I think first we need to paint pine cones. So we got pine cones. We're putting these stamps right here to hold them, so we can spin them freely while we paint them. Just because we don't have anything to hang them from. So that's how we're going to do this. Okay, so here we go. Alright, so our pine cones are painted, but obviously they still have a stem and we need a flat bottom. I'm not sure of how all these little things are held onto the center. So we're going to try to use the bandsaw. If that fails miserably, then we're going to improvise and figure out our way to it. Here we go. Pine cones are cut. As you can see, there's a very small base on the bottom of them. So I think we're going to need to glue them to each other and to the base so that we have multiple points. I did 4. I don't think we're going to use all 4. I think we're probably just going to use like these 2 and one of the big ones. And then we'll put the other figures around that. So, time to do some gluing. Alright, so like I said in the opening, I already sanded this. We need to scour the bottom of these. I'm not sure if there's any paint or anything on them, but that way it'll give it something more for the super glue to stick to. So, just gotta glue these on, and we'll go from there. Alright, while the super glue sets up on that, we're going to do a little experiment. We have glitter that we probably are going to use, but we also have these plastic beads. These are thermomorph beads. You put them in hot water and you make stuff out of them. These kind of look like the snow inside of a snow globe. So we want to see, we got 3 bottles here of water. We want to see which ones look better, whether it's just this, or a little bit of both. So that's what we're gonna do. Trying to be a little smarter than the last time I used glitter. Although, if you don't know what video we're talking about, we will make sure we link it right up here. So look, that just floats.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, the beads are gonna be better.
I wouldn't have thought that.
Mm-mm.
Huh. I mean, I wonder if it's just because they didn't break the surface tension. Let me try shaking it up. Just to be thorough.
Looks good.
That looks so nice.
Yeah, it works just fine.
I mean, they do float though. I mean, like they're not break. I mean, some of them are, but
I think that'll be fine. Add that and the beads. I think.
So let's try to put the beads in there. Maybe the beads will help make it sink. That's not bad.
Mm-hmm. It looks really good.
Okay, so we'll do a little bit of both. Alright, so as you saw, I kind of scoured the edge of this a little bit just to give the glue something to bite into. We're actually going to use 3 kinds of glue because this has to be waterproof. We're going to use some barge cement on the very inside. We're going to use some E6000 after that, and then we're going to use the silicone caulking and glue on the very outside. I figured between the 3 of them, if we have any leaks, we did something wrong. So, time to start filling this with water and beads and glitter. And here we go. So it seemed like it was gonna fit perfectly, and I don't know if you can tell, but there's just a little bit of a gap. So we're editing the plan just a little bit. We're gonna use hot glue to fill in that seam because right now we're terrified to flip this because that's a lot of water. And we're probably gonna go into the bathroom to do that anyway. But anyway, we're just waiting for the hot glue gun to heat up and get this finally glued up. It definitely feels sturdier now that we glued it. Maybe we should give the glue longer to set. We're getting ready to try this.
This is gonna fail.
It's probably gonna fail. As we thought this through more, you know, I mean, there's a lot of things that like we should have checked on more before we did it, and we didn't. So, it's either gonna work or it's gonna be really, really, really funny. So,
Here we go.
to the bathroom.
To the bathroom. Go ahead.
Alright guys, moment of truth.
You know what I do? I set it down in the tub. No, like flip it upside down with your hand on it. Put it on the tub and then just try to lift up and see if it.
Oh, I
that
see.
way it doesn't break anything if it doesn't work. You know what I mean?
I didn't think about that. Here we go. So far, so good.
Here we go.
Huh. Well, I'll be. Maybe we did better than we thought.
It looks pretty.
Oh, wow. Okay. Huh. And it doesn't appear to have any leaks.
Yeah, I don't see anything. Let's see. Can I see anything? I just see shiny glue.
Wow.
I think I'd like to reinforce it with something though, but maybe
Well,
that
we
we do
can
that
caulk on
later.
the outside of it or whatever, but
Yeah.
wow. Okay. That worked.
I'm kind of surprised.
I think we should have added more beads.
It actually worked. I think it looks
They
really
don't-
good.
They don't stay up real well, but the glitter does.
Mm-hmm.
The glitter's good and mixed in.
All right.
So, guys, for this is how we made our snow globe. And down the road we might. Hey, look, there's a pine cone thing floating. Down the road we might, decorate this up a little bit. It was a little last minute. It is the holidays. We have a lot going on. Yeah. So if you like this video and you have any suggestions or comments on ways we probably could have done this better, even though we have 100 ourselves, leave them in the comments below. You can follow us on all the social medias at Make Shape Create to support us on making more stuff like this with more time. Find us at Patreon/Make Shape Create. And we hope everyone enjoyed all the Christmas videos. This will be the last one for the season. And we wish everyone a Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever else, and a happy new year. And see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye, guys.